There are three main things we need to consider. The first are technicals. Right now, we still have more downside from a technical point of view. Back in 2020, AMD made a big move up. And right now, we are currently in the middle of that move. So a test back to the price right before that move is likely, and that price is around $58 a share. The second thing we need to consider is the macro. In my opinion, we are heading into a recession. The severity of this recession is unknown, but semiconductors are very cyclical in nature, meaning that their performance is very much in line with economic performance. And this makes sense because chips are in basically everything today. Therefore, the short-term macro does not look good for chip stocks, but long-term demand will eventually return. The current drop in demand can be seen by the latest announcement in revenue, in which they dropped the estimate of quarterly revenue from $6.7 billion down to $5.6 billion. The third thing we need to consider is valuation. AMD currently trades at a PE of 26. If we see a decline in earnings, then the PE ratio is going to move higher. Now, although 26 is low for AMD standards, it's on the high end for the sector. No doubt AMD deserves a premium, but considering everything, we can see this multiple come down in the short term. So in my opinion, AMD has near-term downside risk, but for a multi-year investment, AMD provides an attractive entry point today. I would expect lower lows in the stock price though. Now join the Patreon for live trade alerts, like these two trades last week that were multi-baggers, and follow this channel for more stock content.